In this video, I will tell you about list of all Prime Ministers of India from 1947 to 2021. Jawaharlal Nehru, 15 August 1947 to 27 May 1964. Period of Prime Ministry, 16 years to 86 days. Party name, Indian National Congress. Gulzari Lal Nanda, 27 May 1964 to 9 June 1964. Period of ministry, 13 days. Party name, Indian National Congress. Lal Bahadur Shastri, duration 9 June 1964 to 11 January 1966. Duration period 1 year 216 days. Party name, Indian National Congress. Gulzari Lal Nanda, 27 May 1964 to 9 June 1964. Period of ministry, 13 days. Party name, Indian National Congress. Indira Gandhi, 24 January 1966 to 24 March 1977. Period of Prime Ministry, 11 years and 59 days. Party name, Indian National Congress. Morarji Desai, 24 March 1977 to 28 July 1979. Period of Prime Ministry, 2 years and 126 days. Party name, Janta Party. Charan Singh, 28 July 1979 to 14 January 1980. Period of Prime Ministry, 170 days. Party name, Janta Party. Indira Gandhi, 14 January 1980 to 31 October 1984. Period of Prime Ministry, 4 years and 291 days. Party name, Indian National Congress. Rajiv Gandhi, 31 October 1984 to 2 December 1989. Period of Prime Ministry, 5 years and 32 days. Party name, Indian National Congress. Vishwanath Pratap Singh, 2 December 1989 to 10 November 1990. Period of Prime Ministry, 343 days. Party name, Janta Dal. Chandra Shekhar, 10 November 1990 to 21 June 1991. Period of Prime Ministry, 223 days. Party name, Samajwadi Janta Party. P.V. Narasimha Rao, 21 June 1991 to 16 May 1996. Period of Prime Ministry, 4 years and 330 days. Party name, Indian National Congress. Atal Bihari Vajpayee, 16 May 1996 to 1 June 1996. Period of Prime Ministry, 16 days. Party name, Bharatiya Janta Party. H.D. Dev Govda, 21 June 1996 to 21 April 1997. Period of Prime Ministry, 324 days. Party name, Janta Dal. Inder Kumar Gujral, 21 April 1997 to 19 March 1998. 332 days. Party name, Janta Dal. Atal Bihari Vajpayee, 19 March 1998 to 22 May 2004. Period of Prime Ministry, 6 years and 64 days. Party name, Bharatiya Janata Party. Manmohan Singh, 22 May 2004 to 26 May 2014. Period of Prime Ministry, 10 years and 4 days. Party name, Indian National Congress. Narendra Modi, 26 May 2014 to continue. Party name, Bharatiya Janata Party. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel, Truth of the World.